Mastering Blackjack, winning decisions for every scenario. Blackjack isn't just a game of luck, it's a game of decisions. Every move you make at the table can be the difference between walking away a winner or leaving empty-handed. In this video, we'll break down the toughest blackjack scenarios, the smartest plays, and the moves that separate casual players from professionals. Let's dive in. Hard hands to hit, stand, or double down. Let's start with hard hands. Hands without an ace, where one wrong move can cost you the game. Here's how to make the right call in every situation. Scenario 1. You have a hard 12, dealer shows a 3. Most players panic here. Do you hit or stand? The correct play, hit. A 3 isn't a strong dealer card, but 12 is too weak to stand on. The math says hitting gives you the best long-term outcome. Scenario 2. You have a hard 16, dealer shows a 10. This is one of the worst hands in blackjack. The dealer has a strong advantage, and standing means you're likely to lose anyway. Your best move? Hit. It's risky, but hitting gives you a slightly better survival rate than standing. Scenario 3. You have a hard 11, dealer shows a 6. This is the dream scenario. Always double down when you have 11 against a weak dealer card. Your chances of hitting a 10 and reaching 21 are strong, making this the most profitable move in the long run. Soft hands. When to be aggressive. Soft hands, which include an ace counted as 11, give you flexibility, but most players play them too passively. Here's how to approach them correctly. Scenario 1. You have ace 6, soft 17, dealer shows a 4. Many players stand here, but that's a mistake. You should hit or double down. The dealer is in a weak position, and you have a strong chance to improve your hand. Scenario 2. You have ace 8, soft 19, dealer shows a 6. Soft 19 is a great hand, but doubling here is even better. Against a dealer 6, you have a high chance of getting to 20 or 21, while the dealer is likely to bust. Double down. Pair splitting is one of the most misunderstood plays in blackjack. Knowing when to split can turn a weak hand into a winning one. Scenario 1. You're dealt a pair of 8s, dealer shows a 10. A hard 16 is one of the worst hands in blackjack. Always split 8s, even against a strong dealer card. This gives you chances to build better hands instead of relying on a likely losing 16. Scenario 2. You're dealt a pair of 9s, dealer shows a 7. This is a perfect spot to split. A 9 against a 7 gives you an edge, and splitting turns one strong hand into 2. Scenario 3. You're dealt a pair of 4s, dealer shows a 5. Never split 4s. Instead, treat them as a hard 8 and hit. Splitting would only give you 2 weak hands instead of one decent one. Avoid these costly mistakes. Even great players make mistakes. Here are the most common errors that cost players money. Mistake 1. Taking insurance. When the dealer shows an ace, they'll offer insurance, but don't take it. It's a sucker bet. The house edge is massive, and in the long run, you'll lose more than you win. Mistake 2. Standing on soft 17. Soft 17 isn't as strong as it seems. Always hit or double down when the dealer is showing a weak card. Mistake 3. Ignoring table rules. Always play at tables that offer 3-2 blackjack payouts instead of 6-5. Also, check if the dealer stands on soft 17, which gives you better odds in the long run. Play like a pro. Blackjack is about strategy, not luck. If you stick to the right decisions, you'll give yourself the best shot at beating the casino. Now that you know the key strategies, it's time to take your skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more advanced blackjack strategies. See you at the tables.